In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an email template in ConvertKit. First, go ahead and log into your ConvertKit dashboard. Once you're on the main screen, look along the top navigation bar, find the option labeled Send, click on it, and from the drop-down menu, select Email Templates. This will open the area where all of your email templates live. In the top right corner of this page, you'll see a button that says New Email Template. Click that to start creating a brand new template. You'll now see a gallery of different email template options that you can customize. On the left-hand side, there's a filter panel where you can narrow down what you're looking for. You can browse by starting points, classic templates, the template library, or even choose to import your own code. Take a moment to scroll through and find a design that fits your brand and the type of emails you usually send. Once you've decided, simply click on that template. The page will reload and you'll be taken directly into the template editor. Inside the editor, you'll see a live preview of your email design. To customize it, you can click on any block or element, such as headings, text, images, or buttons. When you select something, its editing and styling options will appear on the right side of the screen. This is where you can adjust things like fonts, colors, spacing, and alignment, so your email matches your brand style. If you want to add new content, hover over an area in the preview and click on it. A small plus icon will appear. Click that plus icon and a drop-down will open with different types of blocks you can insert, like additional text sections, images, dividers, or buttons. To edit any text, just click directly on the text in the preview and start typing. The editor supports rich text, so you can use formatting like bold, italics, bullet style layouts, and links to make your content clearer and more engaging. When you're happy with how your email looks, go to the top right corner of the editor and click Create a Broadcast. Wait for the page to reload. You'll see a small pop-up appear that says Broadcast Created. Click the Continue button on that pop-up to move forward. On the next screen, look again to the top right and find the More Options icon, which looks like 3 vertical dots. Click on that, and from the drop-down menu, choose Save as Template. A pop-up window will appear. Make sure Save as New Template is selected. Then type in a clear, descriptive name for your template in the field provided. Finally, click Save Template at the bottom right of the pop-up. Your new email design is now saved as a reusable template in ConvertKit, ready for any future broadcasts or automations you want to send.